Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to introduce you a new product from Hamdard Pharmacy, that is Kulsum. It is a quick and effective home remedy for sudden ailments like indigestion, nausea, pains, rashes and wounds. And if you are looking at the direction for use of Kulsum, that is one remedy for 10 ailments. First one is stomach troubles like indigestion, flatulence, loud irritation, loose motion, vomiting, nausea, and dysentery. Take 3 to 4 drops of Kulsum with cold water about 3 to 4 times daily. If you have feeling cough, cold, and caract, instill 2 drops of Kulsum mixed in 2 drops of till oil into the nostrils twice a day. Massage the oil gently on the neck and chest. If you have earache, instill 2 drops of Kulsum mixed in 2 drops of till oil into the ears about 2 to 3 times daily. If you have nose bleeding, instill 2 drops of Kulsum mixed in 2 drops of till oil into nostrils twice a day. If you have pneumonia and lumbago, melt a little beeswax in till oil and when cold, mix 4 drops of Kulsum into it. Massage the oil gently on the affected part. If you have itching and scabies, apply Kulsum mixed with lemon juice and till oil on the affected part. If you have any insect bites, apply Kulsum with cotton wool, swab on the affected part. If you have headache, toothache and burns, apply Kulsum with cotton wool, swab on the affected part. For prophylactic use like cholera, 2 to 3 drops of Kulsum mixed with cold water for about 2 to 3 times a day. If you have plague and other epidemics, 2 to 4 drops of Kulsum mixed with cold water should be taken by whole family about 2 to 3 times daily. If you are looking at the price of this one, we can see for 10 milli Kulsum it costs 60 rupees. And it is a great product. Try to use this one in order to get free from ailments like indigestion, nausea, pains and rubbishes and wounds. If you like my video, please share with your friends, and if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you have any doubt, please do comment below my video. That's all. Have a nice day. Thank you.